Hey little artist! Are you ready to draw something super fun and colorful today? Yes! We're going to draw a pinwheel. It spins in the wind and looks amazing. Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Take your black marker and get your paper ready. Let's start with a small circle in the middle. This is the center of our pinwheel. Now, draw 4 curved wings around the circle, 1 on each side. They look like little folded triangle shapes. Great job! Next, draw lines from the middle to each wing. This connects them. It looks like it could spin, right? Now let's draw the handle, a straight line going down from the center. This is what holds the pinwheel. Let's add some fun around the pinwheel. Draw a few star shapes, some tiny circles, and cool lines all around. It looks magical.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone. Our pinwheel drawing is complete. Now, let's go over our lines and make the outline bold and sharp. It really makes the pinwheel pop. Wow! Our pinwheel is looking awesome. Isn't it? Time to color. Show your color pens or markers to the screen. Let's use rainbow colors today. Say them with me. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Great coloring. You are doing amazing. Wow, our rainbow pinwheel looks fantastic. Don't forget to show it to your family and friends. Subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.